Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on Pinterest dark mode. So if you find this video useful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more helpful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Pinterest, click on your profile symbol on the bottom right, and you should see your profile icon on the top left. So click on that. Once you're on here, you need to go to Account Management, and then near the middle you should see App Theme. So you can click on there. This will just give you three options. So you can either put it on dark, or you can also put it on system default. If you have it on dark, no matter what your device is set up as, when you come onto Pinterest it will remain dark. But obviously if you put it on system default, that will just change to whatever your device is set up as. So that's how you can turn on dark mode on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.